Okay, this is new. We are starting vlogs now. It's kind of tough holding the camera itna upar, and I'm not really used to this. आज मैं internship पे नहीं गया so that I could work on content. It's about 1 और मैंने अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं किया. But the first thing on our agenda is to fix our setup right here. सही है? This looks awful अभी, ठीक है? तो we're trying to fix this, and what we're doing right now is getting a chair. Right guys, we have the chair now. So as you saw, ये chair हमारे पास पहले से थी, but I'm so heavy that I broke one of its wheels. So we got it fixed, or now it is fixed. We're not gonna have back issues anymore because of sitting on this shit. If you follow me on Instagram, आप लोगों को पता होगा कि I'm doing a series where I'm changing all of this back to its glory days. We're working on that. So yeah, but I will say, एक setup में ना, there's few things that take precedence over others as to which ones you should upgrade first. थोड़ा फालतू wording में कहा मैंने ये, पर मेरा मतलब basically है कि like I could upgrade the monitor, सही है? I could add 2 monitors to this like I used to, but I prefer, or I think this is the way to go as well, कि you should upgrade stuff that is more helpful for your health. सही है? समझ आ रहे हो? तो that chair was terrible, right? उस chair पे बैठ के for the monitor it was too low because I had to look up, and for the laptop it was too high because I had to look down to look at my laptop. So yeah, so that is just not it. Because the main reason for using this setup is to use the computer, I can set this to whatever height I like. So yeah, which is probably something around here. और नीचे हो जाता हूँ ताकि फ्रेम में आ जाऊँ सही से. Flex देख लो, ऊपर नीचे भी हो. I'll probably buy a stand for this, right? Another thing that we looked at today was desks, right? For now, let me actually pick this up. As I was saying, for now, we have 1 and 2 desks joined together, right? Which I do not like the idea of, bilkul bhi. And we also have this crappy setup for our microphone. Arm वगैरह तो है, but it's attached in a very weird way. ये table यहाँ से कटी हुई है, because this wouldn't fit otherwise. ये टेबल यहाँ से कटी हुई है because this wouldn't fit otherwise. So we did look at some desks today. Unfortunately, none of them were big enough or the proper type of desk that I wanted. So we're gonna fix that issue. एक और चीज़, this has a clear panel यहाँ पे, सही है? But you can never see it क्योंकि कुछ चीज़ों की वजह से इसको मुझे यहाँ रखना पड़ता है, and I can't show it off वहाँ पे. Not that there's anything to show off, पर खुद बनाया यार, मेहनत की है. Okay, so we're gonna fix this stuff, and yeah, that's what's on the agenda as far as the setup goes. So yeah, right. So I have been editing for quite a while now, जो भी सारे clips हैं. So we are making progress on what the goal for today was, to make a lot of content. So yeah, so I've done a chess video. I've almost edited the reel for getting this chair, right? And I am in the process of editing this vlog as the day progresses. Right, we're going to the court now. Right, we are at the court. Aj, I do have something important to do. It's actually fixing my shot. Right, that's basketball practice done. ये बॉल मेरी नहीं है, तो हम वापस देने जा रहे हैं. I am just watching the footage back. काफ़ी गंदी तरह रिकॉर्ड हुआ है, पर that happens. Like there's a learning curve to this. There's also a goal to this vlogging. I don't just wanna post any and everything. So that does come with an issue. Okay, my internship is actually 10-hour shifts, Monday to Friday. So weekdays are kind of boring. and you don't wanna see what I do internship पे. You'll fall asleep. Maybe you're falling asleep watching this. There isn't much left in the day. I think I'll end the vlog here. I think it was a good one to start off with. आज हमने काफ़ी कुछ किया. But yeah. I do need suggestions for more content. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.